Hello everyone, Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Today I will introduce how to use the document title to create automatic table of content. Before we start, you need to download the document in the information column. When you open it, don't forget to click Enable Editing to start edit. Okay, let's start today's lesson and follow step by step. There are 3 learning objectives today. First, we will introduce what's table of content and then make table of content step by step. At last, we will test whether the content is able to update. Objective 1. What's table of content? Table of content is usually set on the first page of a book or a document. It lists each section of a book and tells which page it starts on. For example, if today I open a book and only want to find out how to properly use the face mask, we can directly turn into page 8. So, that's why we need table of content. Objective 2. Today, we mainly introduce how to use the title to make table of content. For example, we will turn these 3 titles in reference into table of content. So, let's get started. Step 1. Click and drag the mouse to highlight titles. If you want to highlight 3 titles at the same time, press Ctrl on your keyboard. Let's watch video to see how it works. Click and drag the mouse to highlight title, and press Ctrl and drag the mouse again, and repeat the action. And you will see all your titles are highlighted. Step 2. Click Heading 1. You may wondering why should we do this step? Why not just set words into bigger font? Then it looks like a title. Because for word, we need to set the title into heading. Then the computer can explain it as a title. Let's watch the video to see how it works. You click Heading 1 on the top. And step 3. After setting the heading, now we can insert a table of content. Put the cursors on the top of page and click it. Because we know that the table of the content should be on the first page of the document, so we put the cursors on the top. Here. And step 4, click Reference and then click Table of Contents and click Automatic Table 2. And you will get a table of content like this. Let's check the video again. Put your cursors on the top and click Reference and click Table of Content and then click Automatic Table Content 2. And you get your table of contents. Objective 3. There's 2 main points for testing and updating the contents. One is how to break pages, and the other is to update the content. Usually, when you want to turn into a new page, you press the Enter on your keyboard continuously. But this action will make your hands feel very sore if you still have many blank space like this. So here comes a way to solve the problem. We call it break pages. If you want to break pages, you first need to click the space where you want to break the paragraph into a new page. For example, today I want to break the table of content and article into different pages. I should click here. Step 2. First, you click Layout and then click Breaks and then click Page. Let's watch the video to see how it works. you click where you want to break and click Layout, and then click Breaks and click Page. Okay, now you break the pages. Okay, you have break pages. Your article and table of content are on different pages. The articles start on page 2. However, your table of content still shows the introduction to Word starts from page 1. So we need to update the table of content now. Next, I will show you how to update the contents. To update the contents, you need to click the table of contents, and after click it, you will show this a gray small rectangle and named Update Table. You need to click Update Table. Step 3. After you click Update Table, you will see this window. First, you click Update Entire Table, and then you click OK. Now you can see your table of content shows the right pages. And let's watch the video to see how it works. You click your table of content and click Update Table, and click Update Entire Table, and click OK. And you have updated your content. Yeah, we have finished today's lesson. Here are some small missions for you. You need to break the introduction to paragraph and font in Word and the introduction to insert in Word to the second and third page. And then you need to update the table of content again. Okay, if you have any problems, please comment below and don't forget to like my video and subscribe PassByValue and CKU. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson and see you next time. Bye bye!